If your home's roof hasn't been holding up well lately, a roof replacement in the Woodlands can help you avoid a major headache later. Hurricane season can be harsh on your roof. Sometimes investing in a roof replacement before it hits can be a lifesaver. One way a roof replacement ensures your home is well prepared for the upcoming hurricane season is by helping to waterproof it. Replacing your roof ensures it's properly sealed, waterproofed, and that your underlayment is good to go. A roof replacement will also give you peace of mind during hurricane season. Say your roof hasn't given you any trouble yet, but you're afraid that just one bad storm can completely change that. A replacement now can put your mind at ease, knowing your roof is ready to take on even the toughest weather thrown at it. It also helps you avoid having to wait to repair it in the future. Hurricane season brings a lot of dangerous and unpredictable weather. Hundreds or even thousands of homes in your area may be calling a roofing contractor for a crucial repair. The last thing you want is to be put on a waiting list because you were late to the party. However, if you replace your old roof ahead of time, you won't have to worry about this at all. If you're ready to get started, contact Truss today to get a free roof replacement quote in the Woodlands.